Welcome to Anglishanka Plus. Today in our studio we are happy to interview one of the most famous celebrities in the world, Angelina.
Hi.
What do you think, what can we do to save endangered species on the planet?
People should stop cutting down forests, limiting hunting animals and shooting birds.
How can celebrities help us with this?
We can organize charity concerts and collect money for animals.
What animal would you choose as a symbol of this movement?
I would choose a koala.
How can ordinary students take part of this movement?
They can make posters, newspapers and blogs.
Thank you for your interview, Angelina.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
Thank you, Kate.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Welcome pop singer Eva Simons.
Hi.
Hi, Eva. I'm Alina and I want to ask you some questions.
Hello, Alina. I'll be glad to answer your questions.
Okay, let's start. Your new hit of 2015's Bloodfire was really stunning and as it was conceived.
Of course, we had many ideas how to shoot the video, and then my friends advised me that we should shoot the video in cellar and put on in gothic clothes.
Cool. You told that you shot the video in the cellar. Were there any rats or mice?
Well, we saw some.
Oh, and are you afraid of rodents?
No, little animals can't do something bad for us big people.
You're brave. Do you love animals?
Of course I love.
I see that you like makeup. What do you think of animals testing?
Nothing special. I don't want testing maybe on me. That's why I'm wearing leather jackets.
Well, it is your opinions. Thanks for interview.
Thank you too. My pleasure.
Bye. Of course, different people have different opinions. However, people should save a dangerous animal. Thumb up if you like this video.